So it's probably come to your attention now that Google and Meta are training on your AI conversations, and most people didn't realize this. And it's not very easy to understand that they're doing this. So I wanted to create this quick tutorial to show you guys how to, sort of opt out of them training on your personal data. Most people who use LLMs probably put some private amount of data, just probably small amounts, and you don't really want other people who are, training the models to see your personal data. So what you can do is press this in the top right, which is going to expand the menu. Once the menu is expanded, what you want to do is you want to click this temporary chat here. So what this does is this actually enables you to opt out. So there's no official opt out button. You just have to enable temporary chat if you are going to talk to a model. So here you can clearly see that it says temporary chats don't appear in recent chat or Gemini apps activity and aren't used to train models or to personalize your experience. To help you respond and keep Gemini safe, temporary chats are saved for 72 hours. Essentially, what they mean by this is that the temporary chats are only going to be saved for 72 hours. So after 3 days, anything that you put into the temporary chat window, it gets automatically deleted. So if there's any long-term conversations that you do want to be having here, you're going to have to, have them and then just, copy that information out into a Word doc or something, because that conversation is temporary. It gets deleted because Gemini and Google, they don't want to save that data because they can't train on it. So it's important if you're someone who's private and you have certain data, it might be company data, sensitive data that you don't want people to have, make sure you enable this just literally every time, make it a habit. Come here in the top left and click this button. And then when you put that data in, remember, it's only going to last for 3 days. So after every chat session, just make sure that you export it. So in order to, export that entire conversation, after you have an entire conversation with Gemini, just click the button down here, and then you can just click export to docs. And then you can see the bottom left, it says new document created, open in docs. So now I'm just going to open that conversation. And then there you can see it just says, hello, nice to meet you. So that's the best way to do it. That is the best way to just completely save your privacy and your data. If you guys have any